The 2003 B-Series truck. Enjoy the maneuverability of a car and the functionality of a pickup with the Mazda B-Series truck. It boasts one of the best fuel economies in its class, 26 miles per gallon, and comes equipped for either big jobs or bigger jobs. The B-Series is a solid performer and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, driver airbag, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on-off switch, intermittent wipers, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, power outlet, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, sliding rear window, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, vinyl seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.